Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome to School Renovation 2021. Here's the next video of the first week of renovation. As you can see, we're hit by classic British weather. You never know whether it's going to be sunny, rainy or snowy. This time it was snow. Just to give you guys context, 3 skips were required within the first week, 3 12-yard skips. We were lucky to receive 1 skip that was embellished with the NHS logo. As you can see, the outside grounds look very pretty within the snow. Let's start with the renovation. We'll start off with the first classroom, which I believe was for year 1s and 2 previously. Just if you can't remember, there's a video to the left to show you how it looked previously. If you haven't seen those videos already, you might want to go back through our channel to check them out so you can see them more clearly. As you can see, a lot of the walls and the floors have been stripped down just to let the room breathe a bit. There's some damp that you couldn't see behind the walls that we had to let air out. Moving on to the second classroom downstairs, which I believe was the early years unit. Once again, the walls and floors have been stripped down. Ooh, left that there by accident. The toilets still remain, the tiny toilets which no adult of any normal size can use, but they will be removed eventually. Just to make it easier, before and after pics. Moving on now to the head teacher's office at the very top floor. Wasn't a lot of work required here, as you can see from the left and to the main video. Just the shelving and the flooring had to be stripped down. The waterworks have remained so far, just in case any water leaks occur. Hence why you might have seen a kitchen still, a sink still in the corner there. Moving on now to the little library room, I believe it used to be. As you can see, all the shelves have been removed. We left out the bullying sign just to reiterate the message. A message that should never be forgotten. As you can see, the shelving and the flooring has been removed. Here's a little throwback to Puffin Book Club. If you don't know, you might want to search them. Reminds me of my childhood days. Here's the kids' upstairs bathroom. As you can see, it's very animated. Still needs to be renovated. Now we're coming up to the part of the video where you can see how the team has been doing work so far. Big thank you to the team so far. Without them, none of this would be possible. Any valuables that remain behind or anything that has left with some good memories we're keeping to one side, as you'll see further on in the video. Once again, a big thank you to all the staff so far. Now we move into the room with the most water damage. You might be able to see that the builders have done a lot of work so far trying to dry up this room, and successfully they've done so. There will need to be a roof replacement above this building, or at least temporary gutter repair. Otherwise the water will keep leaking. Seems that the problem might be that there's a lot of moss that's gathered at the top of the roof in the gutter, hence the water damage. Moving on back downstairs to the bathroom, which still remains intact, very animated once again. It's hard to scrap out the nice bits. Moving forward, we'll go to the porter cabin, where previously was, I believe, a lunchroom or temporary classroom for the kids. We've now put all the valuable stuff within this room. They will have to be gone through and sorted out to decide what is valuable and what isn't. Here are some of the cabinets and drawers that remain. As you can see, Monopoly, a classic. School dinner folders, school invoices, some very valuable encyclopedias, some very valuable children's books. Once we go through these, a lot of them will be given to charities or other schools, and if they're not valuable, then they'll be thrown away. Before all the valuable stuff is left in there, and after all the valuable stuff is left in there. Yeah, that's this renovation week 1 so far. Big thank you to everyone watching all the videos up till now. We hope you enjoyed the show. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and hopefully you'll continue this journey with us. Let's see what happens with the building. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone that's been watching so far. Thank you to everyone that's been sharing and subscribing. Hopefully we'll see you soon.